After you have finished with your accounts and contacts management, you may wish to create any opening or existing balances your client may have, whether these are from existing or new clients. Let's create an opening balance for one of our clients, Tom Miller. Click on the cash book, select Sales and Invoice to Customer. From the Customer drop-down box, we will select Tom Miller. Notice that Sam's Tiles is not displayed as they were listed as a supplier and not a customer. We will enter opening in the invoice number field as this is an opening balance rather than an actual invoice. To enter a transaction, begin by placing your mouse cursor in the description field. Suppose Tom Miller had an opening balance of $555 in his check account. Enter a description of the event. We will add this to account 1360 trade debtors with a balance owing amount of $555. Click on the tick button to apply this. Press the OK button to finalize the invoice. Notice in the cash book we now have an invoice record with an amount of $555 due from Tom Miller. If we look at our postings, we can see the record listed. Let's create an opening balance for a supplier, Sam's Tiles. Select the Purchases tab and order Invoice from Supplier. Repeat the same process as with our customer. Suppose Sam's Tiles had an opening balance of $1,000 in his check account. Select our supplier, Sam's Tiles. The supplier invoice number will be opening. Finally, enter a transaction. Let's enter a new balance owing of $1,000 to account 3130 trade creditors. If we finalize this record, we can view it in the cash book and posting screens. It should be noted, when creating opening balances, you should use accounts 1360 trade debtors and 3130 trade creditors rather than using specific income accounts. This is to ensure we only update the contact balances and not the balances in our account chart.